Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sri Ram Devarajan. In this video, I am going to discuss problem from exercise 3.1 from chapter 3 for CBSE class 10 mathematics students. I already solved problem 1 and 2. It is available in my YouTube channel. You just check it from the playlist. Today in this video, I am going to discuss the problem third one. We have 5 subdivision. All the 5 subdivision I am going to solve in this video. The first one, the equation 3x plus 2y equal to 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 7. This is a linear equation in pair of two variables. Solution. The question is, you have to compare the ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Find out whether pair of linear equation consistent or inconsistent. Compare the given pair of linear equation with a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x b2y equal to c2. I am going to compare the given equation with a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Here a1 3, a2 2, b1 2, b2 minus 3, c1 5, c2 7. Now find the ratio. a1 by a2, 3 by 2, b1 by b2 minus 2 by 3. Here a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, because here 3 by 2, here minus 2 by 3, both are not equal. Therefore lines are intersecting at a point. From the textbook we have information. That information is very important. The graph of pair of linear equation in two variables is represented by two lines. If the lines intersect at a point, then the point gives a unique solution of two equations. In this case, the pair of equation is consistent. Here in problem 3, we just inform whether the equations are consistent or inconsistent. Don't go for graphical method and get the solution. Only after seeing the equation, whether the pair of linear equation in two variable intersecting or coincident or parallel. For the first subdivision, I am checking the two lines are intersect at a point. Therefore, we can say straight away the equation is consistent because of a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. This is the case for intersecting at a point. Therefore, first subdivision we can say the equation is consistent. Therefore, the given pair of equation is consistent. Now I am going to discuss the second pair of linear equation. The equation is x minus y equal to 8, 3x minus 3y equal to 16. Solution for second subdivision. X minus y equal to 8, first equation. Second equation, 3x minus 3y equal to 16. If we compare with a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2, what is a1? 1. What is a2? 3. What is b1? Minus 1. What is b2? Minus 3. What is c1? 8. What is c2? 16. Now find the ratio a1 by a2 minus 1 by 1. a1 by a2, not minus 1 by 1. 1 by plus 1 by 3. b1 by b2 minus 1 by minus 3. c1 by c2 8 by 16. Here a1 by a2 which is equivalent to 1 by 3. What is b1 by b2? b1 by b2 is also 1 by 3. These two are equal, but what is c1 by c2? 8 by 16. If we simplify, 1 by 2. Therefore, here a1 by a2, b1 by b2 both are equal, but not equal to c1 by c2. First two ratio equal, not equal to third ratio. We can say the lines are parallel. See the third case, lines are parallel, it has no solution, equations is inconsistent. For the subdivision 2, the lines are parallel, we can say equation is inconsistent. See here. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. The pair of linear equation is inconsistent. For subdivision 2, we can say equation is inconsistent. Therefore, lines are parallel. The given pair of linear equation is inconsistent. Now I am going to discuss the third subdivision. What is the third one? 2x. What is third one? Yes, this is the third one. 3 by 2 of x third one, 3 by 2 of x plus 5 by 3 of y equal to 7. 9x minus 10y equal to 14. Solution. If we compare, what is a1? 3 by 2. What is a2? 9. What is b1? 5 by 3. b2 minus 10. What is c1? What is c1? 7. What is c2? 14. Now find the ratio. a1 by a2 A1 by C2 7 by 14, A1 by A2 3 by 2 into 1 by 9, B1 by B2 5 by 3 minus 5 by 3 into 1 by 10. If you simplify 3 by 18, answer 1 by 6, here minus 5 by 30, answer minus 1 by 6. Here A1 by A2 1 by 6, but B1 by B2 minus 1 by 6, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Therefore, we can say lines are intersecting at a point. Therefore, we can say the lines are intersecting at a point. The given equation is consistent. From the ratio itself, we can say the equation is consistent as well as the lines are intersecting at a point. Now I have discussed problem third one, that is third subdivision. I am going to discuss the fourth subdivision of third problem in this video itself. What is the fourth one? The fourth one is given as fourth subdivision 5x minus 3y equal to 11 minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. Here compare with the a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. What is a1? 5. What is a2? Minus 10. What is b1? Minus 3. What is b2? 6. What is c1? 11. What is c2? Minus 22. Now find the ratio. A1 by A2 minus of 5 by 10. If you simplify, minus 1 by 2. What is B1 by B2? Minus of 3 by 6. Again, after simplifying, answer is minus 1 by 2. Now C1 by C2 minus 11 by 22. Again simplifying, minus 1 by 2. Here A1 by A2 minus of, B1 by B2 minus of, C1 by C2 minus of. Therefore A1 by A2 which is equivalent to B1 by B2 which is equivalent to C1 by C2. All are equal. We can say the lines are coincident. Why I am saying lines are coincident? Because all are equal. Third case, the pair of linear equation is dependent and consistent. If the lines coincident, there are infinitely many solutions, each point on the line being a solution. In this case, pair of equation is dependent, that is consistent. Here I am discussing the second case. Here I am discussing the third case. Because all the ratios are equal, we can say it is a coincident line. Once it is a coincident line, we can say pair of linear equation is dependent and consistent. For the fourth subdivision, lines are coincident, equation is consistent. Now I am going to discuss the final problem, that is fifth subdivision from problem 3. The fifth subdivision is given as 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y equal to 12. Fifth subdivision, 4 by 3x plus 2y equal to 8, 2x plus 3y equal to 2. Straight away, what is a1? 4 by 3. What is a2? 2. b1 2, b2 3, c1 8, c2 12. Now find the ratio. a1 by a2, 4 by 3 by 2, b1 by b2, 2 by 3, c1 by c2, 8 by 12. 4 by 3 divided by 2 means 4 by 3 into 1 by 2, 4 by 6, answer 2 by 3. Here also 2 by 3. If we simplify, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. All the ratios are equal. We can say a1 by a2 which is equivalent to b1 by b2 which is equivalent to c1 by c2. Therefore, the lines are coincident. Equation is consistent. One must remember, lines are intersecting when a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Equation is consistent. This is first case. Second case, when the lines are coincident, when will this happen? a1 by a2, b1 by b2 which is equivalent to c1 by c2. Here equation consistent. This is second case. What about the third case? If the lines are parallel, when this happen? a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. In this case, equation inconsistent. This is the third case. We have to remember these three important cases for the equation to be consistent or inconsistent. If these three cases easy to remember, then the problem 3, all the subdivision very easy. First case, intersecting, consistent. Second case, coincident, consistent. Third case, parallel, inconsistent. When we can say lines are intersecting, ratio a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Coincident, all the ratios must be equal. Parallel, first two ratio equal but not equal to third ratio, that is c1 by c2. In this video I have discussed Chapter 3, exercise 3.1, third problem. I have solved 5 problems. In the upcoming video, I will solve remaining problem. In this exercise, we have totally 7 problems. I am going to solve in the upcoming video remaining 4 problems, that is 4th one, 5th one, 6th one and the 7th one in the upcoming video. You just subscribe my channel, share my channel to your friend and like my channel. Thank you.